I am sorry I got cut off in our first video, but we are back and we are looking at problem number 3, the you-do. Morris has a rectangular garden with an area of 60 square feet. 1/10 of the garden is planted with bean plants. How many square feet are planted with bean plants? So again, this is the you-do. Thinking back to what I showed you on the previous problems and remembering that the fractions means 1 out of 2 equal parts, 1/3 means 1 out of 3 equal parts. So if you're looking at a problem like this one, we're going to have 60 square feet and we're going to be dividing it into 10 equal parts. So go ahead and try that one. And then also, I'd like you to try number 4. This is a challenge one. Try this. The length of the living room is 24 feet. The width of my living room is 1/2 the length. What is the area? So this is a multi-step problem. Okay, so you first need to figure out what is the width by figuring out the 1/2 of 24, and then think about area. What do you do with that? So pause the video now, go try those, and then come back and check. Okay, for 3, the strategy that you could have used, but you didn't have to, could be drawing a rectangle to show the garden and dividing it into 10 parts. We can think of an area of 60 square feet as 10 columns of 6 square feet. So we knew that each 1/10 was 6 square feet. You could have also, if you wanted to do just the math, you could have taken 60 and divided it by 10. Remember, this equals a division sign, also fraction. So 60 divided by 10 equals 6. Okay, so you could have gotten the same thing. Maybe you drew a number line. So again, this was just a strategy. It's not the only strategy. And try this on number 4. So I told you that it was a multi-step problem. So our first step were to find out 24, 1/2 of 24, and we know that that would be 12. So we're going to say the width equals 12 because 1/2 of 24. And they told us the length was already 24. And what do we know about area? We do length times width. So you should have taken 24 times 12 to get your final answer. And let's take a look at what that would be. 288. So if you take the width times the length, 12 times 24, you get 288 square feet. That is all we're doing for today. Today is just part 1 of fraction of problems. Tomorrow we'll do part 2, and I'll be showing you a little trick that you can do with fraction of problems. And what I would like to introduce to you is page 106. This is some much needed volume practice. You need to have this completed by, I believe, the lesson after 14, so our wrap-up day. And so you'll see number 5 is just finding the volume of some irregular shapes. Taking what we've learned about volume in the past, length times width times height, and using that to break this apart and find out what the total volume is. So do that practice, and then there'll be an assignment later on in the week that connects to this.